And we are back in our affiliate hub. We're going to create our first real tournament here. As you can see on the affiliate hub, create tournaments. Now we will put a $500 entry fee and a max participants of 5 and a minimum participants of 2. Also in the start dates, today we are the 10th and we will start it at 4 p.m. until it will be a 1 hour flash tournament. We will until 17th confirm, so 10th at 4 until 5 USD Forex. Create the tournaments. We just need also the Nordics competition. Let's see now if we can. Perfect. The tournament is created and now I'm gonna share my invite link by copying it here, Nordics competition, to other future participants. Let's share the link and I will see you. Let's go back now to our affiliates hub. So my tournaments, as you can see, we don't have anything yet. And here in the tournaments, we can see Nordics competition here. We still have 0 out of 5 that joined. So let's have other people join and then I will see you in a moment. Just for the records, I also want to show you how the links look that is shared. It's a private tournament, as you can see here. I have only $200 in my wallet and the entry fee is $500. So I need to deposit and top up my wallet. But then if I have enough, I just have to confirm the entry. So let's top up the wallet. So I click on deposit here. I just have to click on add funds and then I can click here. I'm going to add another 300. And now I'm just going to fill up the information and top up the wallet. By going to the tournaments here, I also want to show you. So my tournaments under the affiliates, tournaments here. So I'm going to copy the codes and I can show you here it's copied under tournaments that I can use the invite codes, join private, and this is the same thing. So you have two options, either to share the link that they can open directly in their browser or share the code that you can also open in your dashboard and directly have access to this competition. So we are back in our affiliate hub and we started earning commissions here as we have 2 referrals that have joined with the $500 competition and immediately I'm receiving $50, which is 10% of the entry price that they have paid. So since we have 2 so far that joined with $500, I've received $50 each. So I have $100 immediately earned. So if I have also another, let's say 4, then another 2, since we have 5, there will be another $100 commission that I should receive. New updates. So now we have the 4 referrals that joined. As you can see, each of them, they've joined and I've received $50 now 1 minute ago, 2 minutes ago, and just now the last one joined. So $200 for the 4 referrals have been already added in my commission of my affiliate hub. And we are back. So as you can see, we've earned the commission for the 4 referrals. So now I'm gonna use the link for my tournament. Let's go to tournament, is better. I have my competition, copy the link. Okay. And now let's go to the tournaments, put the link, the code here, join private, confirm the entry, and we have joined. So now if I go to my tournaments, I can see now tournament details. We have all the participants and the tournament start in 4 minutes. So now we have just over 3 minutes left before the competition will start. 5 participants have joined, including myself. So I'm the number 5 with a virtual balance. I've received my login credentials here for my account. I've also received them by email. So I'm just going to copy basically my credentials here on the MT5 platform. Okay, let's go to the platform now. Here, I'm going to put my password. Okay, I'm entering my login and password and now I'm in my account. Perfect. So as you can see here, if I click right, I can't open any position. I can't, if I go to trading here, I can't open any position because the competition hasn't started yet. All right, since we have only 20 seconds left, let's have a look at the rules. Basically, all the rules are clearly stated, but the number 1 rule is you must open and close at least 5 positions before the tournament ends to qualify. So we need to respect this. In the 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and the competition is live. Perfect. We already have here the participants, the leaderboards. We can open the full leaderboard here. We can see the return live for each of them. So here in our first position, but we just started, 0 position have been opened. So let's go to the platform and start trading. All right, okay, so here some sterling yen, we have something interesting here, an uptrend. So let's, okay, this is the one-click trading. So let's buy 1 sterling yen, and the euro GBP, I like it. I think that the sterling is quite strong across the board. As you can see, that is rising here. So I'm gonna sell some euro GBP here. And now you can see we don't have much margin, but I'm gonna open small positions so I can cover my 5 here positions. So I'm gonna buy, and my euro dollar, I'm gonna sell it, and the dollar yen, I'm gonna buy it. So now I already have 5 open positions. I need at least to close 5, but I can open more obviously after. But let's keep all those positions open here, and let's go back to our dashboard one moment. Okay, here is the window. So we have 57 minutes left. Everything is really transparent and it's a very exciting dashboard. We can see the price pool is 2000 here. We can see also all the exposure live here. We have minus 23. We are currently in second position. I wanted to show you something actually under my tournaments. I can click on, I have the competition here live. I can click on my trade, and now the information is going to start to update. So if I go back to the platform, we have 0 out of 5 position closed. So let me go back to my platform here. Okay, and now trades. So I'm going to close that little GBP USD that it was in profit, just to show you by going back now again to my dashboard, and now 0 out of 5. If I just refresh, it's going to update now. Just need a short moment, but already the information, the data starts to update. I'm in third position, my tournament here, the live leaderboards. I'm currently in third position. So let's go back here, my tournament. Let's see my trades. This one will update now. If I go back to the platform, we'll see that in a moment. 1 out of 5, here it is. And really the exciting thing, especially for the short term, for the long term, you have time, but for the short time, it's good to go here to my tournament. You can go to live leaderboard and you can see live, I am now in 4th position. I'm not doing so well. You see also all the symbol exposure as well here. And let's go back now to our platform and focus a bit on the trading. Let's see. Well, I have here, what do I have? My sterling yen. I'm gonna go to the M15. If the breakout occurs here, I should be fine. So I will stop the video. I will let the market run a little bit for some time and see what's happening later on the leaderboard dashboard. Here it is. 4th position. I have only 1 position, so I'll see you. There is only 5 minutes. We have time. I'm back in 2nd position. So I'm jumping in. Now I have a chance to win a prize, but we still have some time. 5 minutes passed. So I'll see you in a bit. We are back. Now we are in profit in floating. So as you can see here, the sterling yen is doing its breakouts. So let me see, the volume it was on the sterling yen and the euro sterling. So both of them are in positive. So I'm gonna close one position. Now I'm gonna see which one. The sterling dollar, what is it doing here? It's going a bit down. Sterling yen is still interesting. The euro dollar is still going down. So I've closed something. Let's go back to the dashboard and see where we are right now. Okay, so now I'm in first position, being in profit with the 0.14. We are still waiting for Sophia also to start the trading. So you can start at any time. We close also 2 positions, as you can see here. So currently in first positions. Let's see what's happening. And I'm also the only one being in profit right now, which is good. I'm going back to the trading to make sure that I secure my spots. Here, as you can see, all the rest of the positions are in profit. Really good. So I have my Euro GBP. To be honest, the GBP JPY is doing really well. So I'm gonna reopen it here and I'm gonna let it for the rest of the time. If I close all those positions anyway, I have here 2 positions open, so I'm gonna have more than 5. I just need to be patient and wait until the end of the competition, and I will see you at the end to see the rating. Okay, I'm now in third position. With the floating, I have a return that is negative of minus 0.16. Let's confirm that in the platform. Here, as you can see, the sterling yen is retracing, but it's a small retracement. Let me reduce a bit this so we can focus on, and I will zoom a bit here, -2. So if the breakout, I'm gonna put it a bit bigger here so you can see what I'm aiming at. Aiming at a breakout here of this previous resistance. So if the breakout occurs, we should be back in positive. It's not the case. So I'm going back here to my dashboard to see where I am in third position. We have 50 minutes left. Now, as you can see, even if we are all in loss, let's say our floating return and our open P&L is negative, well, it doesn't matter because there will still be a winner. So far, I'm back in second position. The first one will win here out of the 2000 price pool, 1111, and I will win 889, hopefully, but we are all very close. So let's monitor that until the end. Hopefully, I will be able to win a prize. I will see you soon. Okay, let's comment a bit because it's actually exciting. I wanted to let some time pass, but I'm seeing my name going from third position to first to fourth. As you can see, you have the winning here in the ranking. I don't know if you see, Lucas has won 2 positions, Sofia has lost 2. I am back in first position. I won 2 positions immediately, so I'm the one currently with the prize of 1,111. Let's go to the platform just because the breakout and the movement is currently happening on the euro sterling. Which one is our big volume? We have the sterling yen and the euro sterling. So the price is going towards that breakout. Hopefully it will happen, especially on the sterling yen. I'm waiting for it to happen, but I'm going back now to my dashboard. I am in first position. My return is positive. Let's see if the return is positive. Well, yes, my equity is positive here, 1012. And now even the floating is in positive. So I'm going back again to my dashboard. And as you can see at 0.18, I am in first position. Kenji is right behind me and he's also positive, but his open P&L is negative. So let's see. I hope I can stay in first position. I'll see you in a bit. We still have 46 minutes left. As you can see, I've just reduced my camera on the top right so you can see also on the top right of the dashboard that we have our price pool of 2000 and also the timer showing 45 minutes. And I have the open P&L being positive. I'm the only one with an open P&L positive. My return is also positive. Kenji is only at 0.01. But as you can see, it doesn't matter how strong is the performance. The most important is to just be in the first position. We have the position number 4 and 5, Lucas and Carlos, being close to -1%. So 1% drawdown. And they are, as you can see, Lucas is won a position, and even if he's negative, he's in fourth position. We have Sofia close to 0, only at -0.38, and Kenji is only at 0.01. So, and I'm in first position with 0.39. My open P&L is really good. I'm gonna secure it right now, and I'm gonna close here my current positions here. Perfect. Now, let me go back. As you can see here, I have 2 positions, but now I have 6 positions. So I am in green in my positions. I'm good. I have my return of 0.39 and I've secured the price, and I still have 44 minutes left. So I have 2 options now. I can monitor this live and make sure that I stay in first positions, or I can risk it and open new positions. But if I open new positions, I can confirm my first position, my leader's position, and open more and secure more profit, or I can risk it and potentially lose that current return. So I'm going to keep it safe and I'm going to keep my positions closed. Now I'm not going to open anything because I have my, let's go back here to my tournaments, my trade. As you can see, I have all the information here that I closed 6 positions. So let's go back now to the affiliates, to the my tournament and the leaderboard. So I'm just going to monitor here my performance and make sure that I stay in first position. All right, we are back and we can see that everybody have open positions. You can see it from the open PNL here, apart from me, but the second position is closed. Carlos also is closing some strong floating, so I have to be careful. I want to make sure that I'm securing my first position. So I'm gonna go back to the platform and gonna take some sterling yen, euro sterling. It's retracing a bit. I'm still believing in the breakout. So I'm sticking to the same trades, as you can see here, with the sterling being strong across the boards. Let's see my history. I have 38 here in close position. And now let's see my open positions. Here, let me unzoom a little bit, just as an idea. Perfect. So now I have also 2 more open positions. Let's go back. 0.17, Kenji is at plus 0.05. I hope I didn't take the wrong decision by opening a big volume here, because obviously if I am in loss, but I prefer to do it early while I still have 35 minutes rather than doing it in the last moments. If they wait until the last, you have to be strategic. You know, it's although it's only 1 hour, you have to be strategic in your timing, not to trade too early and not to stay too close to the second position or to the third position, to make sure that I secure the price. And here I'm back with my open PNL in profit and 0.44. So let's go back to the platform. Here I'm already back into positive. So if Kenji stays around 0.01, I have to be careful in the last minute to see how well he will jump. But if I have a difference of 1 or 2%, I think that I will feel safer. So our open PNL is positive. Carlos is doing well also with $22 here. I'm only at 0.5. Kenji is at minus $2. So here we can see with the updates, here we are all in negative, and I'm at 35. Kenji is also negative. Everybody's negative apart from me. Now I have a big jump, plus $10. Let's go back to the platform here to confirm that together. As you can see, plus 11. We see that the dashboard is updating as well, live in the leaderboard. So I'm in first position. I want also to confirm you always here that I can see that I'm in first position with my current return live, the time left in this competition. And if I click on my trade, I have all the information with my history here. You see with the equity evolution, I have my open positions here, and I have my close trades here, and all my exposure currently being on the sterling yen and euro sterling here. So this is all the transparency of my current accounts in that competition. Let's go back to the leaderboards. Plus 21, I'm doing well. Plus $21, confirmed here, 25. Okay, doing well, 30. I'm 0.68. I'm gonna close my positions now. Make sure 32, done. To make sure that I secure and I bag my profit. So now I have 0.72 return. All the others are in negative. I'm in first positions. I have 30 minutes left. And now I secured a bit more. So I'm gonna wait, keep it cool, monitor until the last moment, because I can also see the open PNL. So if the open PNL is also getting closer to mine, I will see what to do, but I don't want to risk it anymore. So I will see you closer to the end of that competition. And we are back. We have less than 20 minutes left. Kenji is back with some open PNL. We can see that Carlos, even with the positive open PNL, is still in negative. So you have to worry about anybody. You never know what can happen. But I can see that the percentage of return from Kenji is changing quite fast from 0.14, as you can see in the next update, to 0.28. I cannot take the risk for it to go straight to 0.90, for example, before the end. So I'm going to go back to my platform and I'm going to take again my sterling, because my analysis remains and I still believe that my sterling yen is absolutely here. As you can see, we are straight away in positive. So I'm going to go back here. So let's see now with the open PNL is at 0.24. I'm 0.77. Let's monitor that live a little bit for the next couple of minutes. Okay, so as you can see here, I'm going back to my platform. I am now at minus 9, minus 10. Even I put it actually, this is the 1 minute. Yeah, this is the 1 minute. If I go on the M15, you can see all my little positions that I open here. Have a beautiful uptrend. And since the trend is your friend, I'm going to follow up the trend here. Going back to where is my euro sterling? My euro sterling, same thing. This is the M1, but on the M15, we can see here we have a little shadow. Hopefully it will fill it up and I will be able to close a bit more profits. We are getting close. It has a $24, 0.24%. I have to be careful here with my floating. I'm still in first position. We have 16 minutes left. Now my open PNL is plus 51 also for Carlos, $51 plus 28. I don't know if Kenji would be able to, or if I'm digging my own grave by actually risking my current profit, but this is the competition. I prefer the best defense is attack. I attacked from the beginning and this is how I got the first position. And now instead of just defending my first position, I need to attack to make sure that I secure it by opening more position. Kenji is doing well. His position is more into profit. Let's go back to my here. Hopefully I don't get, I'm okay to be honest. I'm okay. I believe that the sterling yen, hopefully the retracement will be small and I just need one big candle here so I can secure some profits. But this uptrend is very beautiful, so I'm not so worried. On the euro sterling, let's have a look. Euro sterling is good. Here it is. My sell, euro GBP, it's back in profits. I am overall back in profit. So let's see, plus 34 here. It's still at half of my performance, but since it's moving fast, we're going to monitor that. I'll see you in a couple of minutes. Let's see how I'm going to keep my position here is doing well. Let's go back now. Very good. This is what I wanted. So this is some type of here. Very interesting position. Which one it is? The euro sterling is doing well. That's why I like to open two positions, not to put all my eggs in one basket, because then it's 50-50. If I have a retracement, I will be negative. Although my sterling yen is not doing well, my euro sterling is doing good. So let's see this candle also. I'm going to just zoom a bit. As you can see, the sterling yen wants to do the breakout and I am now into profit. So 0.81. Oh my God, Kenji, you see? I don't remember how much I was before, but we will be able, that's why I'm recording the video, because we will be able to see. If I stayed, I believe that if I stayed before without taking the risk of opening more position, maybe he could have beaten me. So let's see now. And Kenji is going to first position. Wow, with a very strong open PNL here. There is a fight. I'm not going to close the video. Let's see who will win until I make sure that I'm securing my first position. To be honest, as you can see, first or second position, as long as Carlos here, who has a very strong PNL, as long as Carlos doesn't go into second position, I'm still winning a prize. So, you know, I am not unhappy about my performance, to be honest, but of course I would want to be first, also just for the fact of winning the first position. But Kenji is doing well. As a big floating, Carlos is doing really well, to be honest, with a very big floating of $90. But since he's covering some previous losses, he's still in third position. So here, unfortunately, don't know what's happening here, but it's okay. Let's focus on ourselves. Here, I'm doing well now, 26. Let's see my breakout. My breakout is happening now. Now I'm going to unzoom. My breakout is happening for the sterling yen and my euro sterling also. But as you can see, it's up and down very quick, because as soon as there is a breakout, then there is a small retracement. So that's why I need to monitor here. Kenji also, his performance is quite stable. It's at 64. Let's see on the next update. To be honest, the fact that the live here it is. Now I'm in negative. The fact that in live it's updating every few seconds, very exciting, because you can see here the change of position. I'm losing my first position. Kenji is first. We have 12 minutes left. Will I be able to get my first position back? Let's see here on the next update. Kenji has a very good open position. I don't know what he opened. He also doesn't know what I have opened. But as you can see here, if my breakout continues, especially I have faith, to be honest, I'm going to put it here in first position, and my sterling yen. I have faith here in my sterling yen. As you can see, the shadow here is doing well. So I like this shadow here, this setup. If the breakout goes through, I am here close to zero. Let's monitor that sterling yen. Let me go back in the dashboard right now to see that I'm right now live going into first position. My positions are in profit, 0.75, last 11 minutes. Really, this is quite tense, because we can see that the three now are in profit and the open PNL is also quite strong. So let's see if I can maintain my position. 26 now. Okay, let's go back to the, okay, the sterling yen is doing the breakouts. Both of them are in positive, but the prices are moving quite fast. So I'm going from positive to negative. So we are very close between Kenji and myself, and only 10 minutes left. So I'm going to comment this. I don't know if I will stay the last 10 minutes together recording, if it stays stable, but if I keep seeing myself going between second and first position, I'm going to keep recording, because very strong open performance from Kenji here. So let's see what's happening with my positions. I don't want to open the platform. It's more exciting to see it in the dashboard, to be honest, because it's not updating at every tick, but every few seconds. And as you can see, I'm back in first position. I don't want to touch the positions now. I don't want to secure anything, because Kenji potential is positioned, as you can see here, plus 86. He's also growing with me. We are very close, and we have under 10 minutes to go. As you can see, the 1 hour, to be honest, it sounds quick, but it's very exciting, because on a weekly performance, potentially here Kenji is in first position. Potentially, let's say if unfortunately you messed up your first day, you try to recover on the second day, great. But the excitement here of recovering within a couple of minutes, I find it more exciting, to be honest. At the end of the day, the price is the same. You can, if it was a $500 for weekly competition, you will have to trade the whole week, monitor the performance every day. If you are more of a day trader, let's say, it will be more interesting for you. But for me, that I prefer kind of scalping and more short-term trading, I find myself more drawn towards those short competitions. So here, 8 minutes left. I'm in first position, but it's really, really close. It doesn't depend only on me. I cannot do anything more than that. As you can see, Kenji also has some really good positions. So obviously, we are quite moving together. I have here, Kenji has reached now 1%. Wow. Let me go back to the chart and see what's happening with my positions here. I'm quite confident that if my sterling yen will explode, I'll manage to take that first position. I'm currently doing well. We are both over 1%. Okay, Kenji's position exploded with a 1.4%. And I'm quite happy, to be honest, that I decided to trade, because if I left my position closed and waited until the last minute, you see, I would potentially be surprised, and I wouldn't be able to recover from the second position. Carlos is also doing well. Actually, I think I was less than 0.74. So I potentially would have been in third position. So that's why you have to be really careful to monitor on the dashboard, especially, as I said, in the short-term competition, short-term 1 hour competition or 4 hour competition, because everything can change in the last minutes. And I was first during most of the competition, but now I'm in second position, and we are at 0.01%, 0.02% from the first to the second position. I'm stuck in that dashboard. Let's see what will happen. Okay, now I have a big explosion. I am in first position, 129%. Let me go back here. Yes, finally, my sterling yen. What's happening with my euro sterling is here. My euro sterling is doing the breakouts. So let me go back to the dashboard and see if I can maintain this position. Once again, I have 6 minutes left. I have the choice to close the position and secure. But if Kenji's position continuing to profit, then it's a double-edged sword. I don't know what will happen. I will continue a bit. If I go, let's say, to 1.5, if I have 0.5% difference, maybe I will decide to close the positions, but not yet. We are fighting for the first position. I'm now back into the second position. Let me go back to my tournaments here. I can see my trades, all the information live here. Also, you can see it from here that you are second. At the end of the day, I'm still winning a prize, but this is still not sure, because Carlos is raising at 0.87, and now I'm starting to be stressed, because he's at 1. I don't know what is Carlos doing, but he's racing in the last 5 minutes. Now there is a big difference between myself and Kenji. What I was trying to take, the gap that I was trying to get, is the gap that it's getting at 1.46. Let me go back to my positions. Sterling yen, it's your time to shine, and it's your time to push me towards the first position. Kenji is doing really good. Okay, now the gap is a little bit less. It went up to 1.5, so we had like 0.5% difference. But Carlos is really surprising. Carlos waited. He has one open position. I have two open position. Kenji one open position, and is doing really well now with 150 in floating. We have only 0.3. To be honest, I have to be more worried about Carlos than Kenji, because if I am first or second, I'm still winning a prize. But if Carlos' position is doing well, then I'm gonna lose my second position, and then I will win zero prize, because we have a small 5 competitors here, and this is what I was worrying about. I am now in third position, and we are under 5 minutes. Is there anything that I can do in the trading? To be honest, I don't want to do nothing. I want to keep the sterling yen. Sterling yen now, there is some strong volatility, as you can see. The euro sterling is still in positive, but this sterling yen here is doing has a strong shadow here. I hope that it gives me a quick explosion. There is not much time. I'm back in second position. Carlos is doing well. There is only 4 minutes left. And I'm in first position. Kenji's position is not doing so well. Actually, it's my position that is doing well. What am I saying? Let's go back here. Okay, sterling yen is doing good. Both of my positions are doing well. My euro sterling, it continues. Oh, I have to move my take profit. I don't want it to close. I don't want it to close. Not yet. I'm in first position at 129, only 3 minutes left. Okay, plus 57. Kenji, let's see if Carlos will be able to beat Kenji. To be honest, now for the first 3 position, it's very tight. It's very tight. I can't close my position here. I'm back in. You see, if I close my position and Kenji is doing well, I'm losing my second, and I'm losing my first, and I can lose my second positions here. Let's monitor this open position of Kenji. Is doing good. To be honest, he's doing a really good profit, but I think I have a good edge with my 2 position open. If my sterling yen, I'm gonna move it. I don't know if there is a big movement. I have to make sure. To be honest, I don't even know why I took a take profit. I don't want. But if my sterling yen finally, how much? Here it is, 60. Come on, sterling yen. This is the last minute. It's your time to shine. I have only 2 minutes left, and I'm in first position with 137. Come on, you can do it. Sterling yen, give me one explosion here. My analysis is good, and my euro sterling is also good. Very happy about that. Only 2 minutes left. These are the last 2 candles, and it's the time for the sterling to shine. We are under 2 minutes now, guys. I'm in first positions. Kenji is still in second position. Let's see on the next update, because Carlos also has a good position. I don't think, but we never say never. We have less than 2 minutes. I don't think that Lucas can do anything. And they also have a lot of open positions. 5 open positions for Lucas, 4 open positions for Sophia. Sophia continues on her negative. I'm doing well here. Now is the time to be strategic, because I can decide to close my positions that they are doing really well in profit and secure my 1.5, or I can keep them until the end, until the last minutes. So let me go back here to the trading 80. What should I do? What should I do? It's the last minute. It's the last minute. Let me go back again. 87. 1 minute left. I'm not closing my positions. I'm at 159, 151. 1 minute left. Should I close? I'm not closing. It's decided. I'm not closing. Okay, 40 seconds. I'm still in first position. Let me see now. 83. Okay, I'm closing my positions. Done. Only 30 seconds left. There's nothing I can do. At least I secured 1.58. Now Kenji, will see what he's gonna do in the last 20 seconds. I don't want to risk just one quick pullback in the last moment, because my volume is quite aggressive. And now I have 10 seconds. Let's see on the last update. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And this is the final countdown and the last update. We will see when the positions also are closed, because the positions will be also closed. So I can refresh to be sure. I think I'm in first position, but let me refresh to be sure. Open PNL. Looks like I'm first. My tournament, first position. You in the price tier. I finish in first position here. Let me go to affiliate hub. So I've won $200 in commission from my referrals. And now in my tournament, let's claim the prize. I've won the first position. It's done. Okay, so let's see. I click on add fund here. No, available balance. Actually, my balance is I've already received it. I don't need to add funds. I thought it meant add funds in the dashboard, but no, I already received the 1,100 Perfect. Plus my affiliate here commission, pending commission, that I will check afterward to also claim. So I've won $200 plus the first position here, and now I have $1,111 in my wallet. I hope you've enjoyed this whole tutorial plus this live trading competition. Seriously, this is a very exciting dashboard here, and overall this competition is very exciting. So I'll see you soon for more tournaments. We are also organizing a very big free tournament that will qualify to some live tournaments. I'll see you soon. Bye bye. And we are back here for our final video of this competition. So as you can see here under tournaments, my tournament here, you have this competition with all the information. The prize has been credited to the wallets. I want to show you also the email, the type of email that you receive. So here I've received an email regarding the certificate that I will be able to show you now in the dashboard, and also the confirmation of the position, so we can see also the few results and stats. So now let me go back here to my tournaments, the affiliate hub, payouts. Also, I want to show you regarding the commission, how to receive the payouts. So these are my link, these are my referrals, these are the tournaments, these are all the reports of the commission that I've earned, and these are the payouts. So let me request a payout here. So as you can see, I've received 200. So let me enter here 200. I can decide either crypto, bank, or Wise. I'm going to choose crypto. I can enter my wallet address here, and I can submit a request to receive my commission, and then it will be added in the history. Going back to the tournaments here, so let me check the certificate. So here is the certificate of the first position that I can download, that I can share across the social medias. And also this is a very important tool in order to traders to share, of course, their competence whenever they reach first or second position, or they won any prize, to be able to share to their community, and as well to the affiliates that they will organize competition. They can also show the performance of their best traders by resharing, reposting, and showing the activity of the traders of the competition that they have organized. And last but not least, as we have available balance here, we can use this balance obviously to join other tournaments, but also we can withdraw here. But in order to withdraw, we need to complete the KYC. So let's do that now. Start verification. So we just have to submit here by clicking here a passport, ID, or driver's license. So let me upload the document now. So I've uploaded my passport, and it's going to be under review. And now I want to show you, since I didn't refresh the page, that I've received another email. As you can see here, the KYC has been verified. So if the KYC has been verified, let me just refresh my page here, and we can see that now my profile is verified. Took a couple of seconds, that was very fast. And now going back to my wallet, I can click on withdraw, and now I have access to crypto or Revolut. Amazing to be able to withdraw with Revolut. So you can click on the Revolut. I can put the amount. I'm going to keep, for example, 100. So I can join other competitions. The minimum is $50. So I put 1,000. Then I just have to enter my Revolut tag here and request the withdrawal. It's that simple. Hope you've enjoyed this whole tutorial about the trading card competition. I'll see you soon in one of them. Take care. Bye-bye.